You my good boy? Would you get my keys? Get the keys. Oh, what is this? Sit. Yes. Good boy. Take it. Sit pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you. Give me 5. Give me 10. Give me a kiss. Oh, thank you. Good boy. Take the keys. Over there. Bring them over here. Put them down. Right here. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Now go get the keys. Get the keys. Where are they? Where's the keys? Go find it. Find the keys. Good boy. Thank you. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Okay? Wait. Okay, you ready? Steve?
No, go on.
Okay, push. Push. Ah, no feet. Push. Push. Close it. Close it. Good boy. Alright, over here. Okay, close it. Come over here. This side. Close it. Thank you. Good boy. Over here. Good boy. Here. It's a heavy one. Okay, close it. Close it. Close it. Good boy. Okay. Basket. Laundry in the basket. In the basket. Over there. In the basket. Okay, here. In the basket. Good boy. Sit. Sit pretty. Push. Yes. Tug. Oh, yes. Good boy. Take it. Good boy. Hold it. Hold it. Good boy. Okay, give. Thank you. That's a good boy. Okay, tug. 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 Good boy. Push. Good. Will you help me take my shoes off? Shoe. Tie my shoe. Get the laces. Tug. 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 Yeah, that's good. Tug. Okay, give. Thank you. Okay, get the sock. Tug. Give. Oh, that's a good helper. Can you get this one now? Tug. Here, get the string. String. Right here. There you go. Okay, tug. Take it off. Okay, give. Thank you. Get the sock. Sock. Tug. Oh, that's a good boy. Thank you. Okay, now go get my slippers. Get my slippers. Come on. Yeah, you don't need to kill it. It's already dead. Go get the other one. Go get the other slipper. Yeah, thank you. You're such a good helper. Are you a good helper? Yes. Thank you. You don't even need a treat for that, do you? Just enough. Okay? Let's get the paper for Dad. Oh, there it is. Get the paper.